What's going on, guys? Today we're back so soon because I just got my Deutschtech Catback exhaust. Oh, that might be what the rattling's coming from.
Yeah. It was rattling when I drove it in, and I was like, what the fuck is that noise?
Yeah, I thought it was the bracket, I wasn't sure.
Get it out of there, I think that sounds really good.
Oh man, just listen to that idle. I'm going to show you a comparison of what it was like before compared to now, because this is just way better. Just want to give a massive shout out to John down at Deutschtech for absolutely smashing that job. John, you're a real one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please like, comment and subscribe because it really helps me out. And I'll see you guys on the next video.